5, 4, go.
What am I supposed to do?
What did you learn today, and has it inspired you to do anything new and exciting?
It inspired me to go to school and learn good things and get a good GPA.
Excellent. Zayana.
I learned that school is good to keep your education up.
Brian, what did you learn today?
I learned that a lot about history and slavery and what it was like for people who don't have good education.
I learned that I still really want to go to college.
I want to go to college right now.
That y'all made me want to go to college more.
Say it again.
Thumbnail.
Y'all made me want to go to college more.
Yeah.
Because I always wanted to go to college, but y'all made me more. College is hard.
College is harder than
Y'all encouraged me more.
Yeah. So we're gonna go.
Thank you very much.
You need to send your application.
I don't want to do that because I don't know my.